أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقد نزل عليكم في الكتاب أن إذا سمعتم آيات الله يكفر بها ويستهزأ بها فلا تقعدوا معهم حتى يخوضوا في حديث غيره إنكم إذا مثلهم إن الله جامع المنافقين والكافرين في جهنم جميعا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 140. In this ayat, Allah tells us that the people who have Iman, they must know it is compulsory on them to look after the respect and regard of Holy Book, Holy Quran, and the ayat of Holy Quran, and Quran or Sunnah, and about Islam. Anything, if someone is making fun of any verse of Holy Quran or any part of Islamic religion, so you must be away from those people unless they will change the topic. They will go to another topic which is not making fun of or joke of Islamic thing. So we read this one, we will understand more better, inshallah. So Allah said in this ayat number 140, Waqad, and no doubt, in fact, Nazzala alaykum, it has been revealed, it has been sent down to you, fil kitab, in the book. So it has been told you, it has been sent down to you in the book, in Holy Quran, an iza samitum, that when you listen, the verses of Holy Quran, yukfaru biha, that those are denied, wa yastahza'u biha, and those are being joked, or those are being mocked. Fala taq'udu, so you are not to sit ma'ahum, with them, hatta, until yahudu, until they make them busy, fi hadithin ghair, so in an other topic. Innakum izam misluhum, if you will sit with them, then you will be like them. That means what type of sinful act they are doing, you will have to get that also. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, Jami'ul Munafiqina. So Allah is Allah will gather the hypocrites, wal kafirina, and the disbelievers, fi jahannama jamiya, in the hell all together. So in this ayat, Allah told us, وَقَدْ نَزَّلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الْكِتَابِ أَنْ إِذَا سَمِعْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ يُكْفَرُ بِهَا. يكفر بها ويستهزأ بها فلا تقعدوا معهم حتى يخوضوا في حديث غيره إنكم إذا مثلهم إن الله جامع المنافقين والكافرين في جهنم جميعا. So Allah said, in fact, it has been sent down, it has been revealed to you in the book, in Holy Quran, that when you hear, when you listen the verses of Allah, verses of Holy Quran, they are denied by the people and mocked, or they are joked, being joked, or they are being made fun of by the people. So do not sit with them until they enter into another conversation. No doubt, if you will stay there, you would be like them. Indeed, Allah will gather the hypocrites and disbelievers in the hell altogether. So Allah told in this ayat that the first thing is وَقَدْ نَزَّلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الْكِتَابِ. So what have been sent down in the holy book? How can you understand? The first thing for understanding, you need to understand the Holy Quran. The first thing is you need to learn Holy Quran in Arabic version and also understand the meaning and understand the translation like this with the commentary, with tafseer. You need to know that so that you understand the Holy Quran completely. If someone is denying any verse of Holy Quran or making the fun of any verse of Holy Quran or trying to make joke of any verse of Holy Quran, so automatically you will understand which verse is that and what is the reason, what is, then you can also you can rectify the people, you can tell them that you are wrong, and this you can say the reality to them to make that according to your iman. That is, but if you don't know, you can't say anything. So this way the best thing is that then you are not to sit with them when they are talking about religious points, because if the in religious point of view when they are talking, you are not to sit with them, because you know understand what they are saying, and maybe if they are saying something which is from the Holy Quran and they are talking like denying the words of Holy Quran, like, and also they are making joke of any ayat of Holy Quran, so this may be possible there. So this is best thing is that you are not to sit with them. So if they are, Allah said, if they are changing the topic, then you are allowed to sit with them. So that is the thing. So this way Allah said, An iza samitum ayatillahi yukfaru biha. If the ayat of Holy Quran are being denied, wa yastahza'u biha, are being joked or mocked, so fala taq'udu ma'ahum, you are not allowed to sit with them. So this is very important. Even this is applicable to different things. For example, if you are going on the way in a bus, in a train, and you are opening a fiction book, and in the book, fiction book, that is, you are reading that one, and something came in that paragraph where any verse of Holy Quran is being joked or they made fun of any Islamic thing, so automatically you have to leave that. You are not to read the book. Maybe that type of thing will be repeated in the next part or somewhere else. So the best thing is that, so when you are the you I'm not to look at the fiction books mostly, because it is, I feel they are time wasting. And but you try to avoid them, make the productive knowledge. So this fiction is just wasting of time. And also sometime there is some paragraph where is something is written, there is making fun of some Islamic thing. So that is not a good thing. Even if you are watching TV or some social media, you have seen some clip or some movies or documentary or some type of drama or poetry or some other thing, and you have to feel that there is something what they are doing in that, or to calling or talking or saying. So what is happening in that movie or theater or cartoon or documentary or so any type of thing what is happening, you will understand. So is if they are making anything of Islamic thing, making fun of that, so you are not to look at that, you have to leave that. And this is the thing, turn off the TV, turn off the social media, that is the thing. Sometimes is print media or paper media like newspaper. When you are reading, sometimes they can write, they can read, they can make a news about the making fun of some Islamic thing. We have seen this happen also. This way, electronic media, print media, paper media, social media, every way you can see sometime. Then you must be careful. If there is, they are just to make fun of any Islamic thing, so they are not doing. They are like they are doing something wrong, which is sinful thing. If you are just to stay there, then you will be with them also. This way Allah said, وَإِذَا أَنْ سَمِعْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ وَيُكْفَرُ بِهَا وَيَسْتَهْزَأُ بِهَا فَلَا تَقْعُدُوا مَعَهُمْ. So if you can listen that ayat of Holy Quran are being denied or they are being mocked, then you are not to sit there also. So you are not to be there. Hatta yahudu fi hadithin ghairi, until they have to change the topic. Innakum izam mislahum. If you are sitting there when they are talking about Islamic thing, it's then you will be with them. So what type of sinful act they will get punishment, you will also be in a position to get that. Very important. This way we need to look at so many things are there. Mostly the making fun of Islamic things, it is the mostly job of the hypocrites and also non-Muslims also. And any person who is in Islam, and if that person has like Islamic awareness, then that person must avoid those things, is very important. Otherwise your iman will go off when you are sitting with them, or you are reading a book where this type of some other thing which is where they are making fun of some Islamic thing. And also in fiction, in movies, in social media, print media, electronic media, or any cartoon, or any type of theater or poetry, or anywhere. Even our school, colleges, universities, some students, they also they are not, they have no time to read Holy Quran, but they can read big books also. So this is a big problem. Then they can, because they love the Western lifestyle, they don't like Islamic lifestyle. This way there are some type of things which are making fun of Islamic thing, which are being mentioned in their personal meetings, conferences, seminars, and everywhere. So they get the sinful act also there. This is happening. So you have to look after that. If you are sitting there, you have to leave and leave them also. So if you are sitting and you are happy with that, then you will be with them also. Man tashabbaha qawma fahuwa minhum, as Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. If a person who is just to follow others, that person will be with them also. Very important. And keep in mind that any place or anywhere where there is they are making fun of some Islamic thing, so you are joining of that is haram. And this way, if you have seen some people, they are try to make the other person laugh to make the environment more better, they say, but sometimes they are just to get the help from lying, telling lies and backbiting and slandering and some other way, and they can do like this. So this type of the movie or theater or comedy is not allowed, because it will make you are listening the fun of some Islamic thing and you are laughing also. So then this will take your iman off from you. So this is very important for us. If you look at the history, like even at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in Mushrikeen in Makkah, they were denying the ayat of Holy Quran, and also they were making fun of Islamic things also. And same thing that happened in Medina by hypocrites and Jews. And in this innakum izam misluhum, if a person who is, like you can see, if some people they are drinking alcohol, and if one person is there who is not drinking but is sitting there, so that will be also included in them. So like Umar bin Abdul Aziz radiallahu ta'ala anhu, so one day he found some people and drinking alcohol. He punished them, and one person that was sitting there with them, and it was found that that person was fasting, and he has not taken any drop of the alcohol. So Umar bin Abdul Aziz, he punished him also, because in this ayat Allah said innakum izam misluhum. So that person was sitting there, he was misluhum, mean like those people also. So this way, so this is very important also understand. So even you can see in one hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a person who believes in Allah and the last day, so he should not join a party where alcohol is being served. So this is hadith also. It means where alcohol is being served, a Muslim person is not to attend that party also. But you can make a relationship with kuffar and other people also, non-Muslims, international relations, and with respect to business, that is allowed. But the friendship with heart, like the relationship with your heart, is not allowed. So that you must be careful about that. And if they are making like any type of fun of any Islamic thing, then you have to leave their company and you have to be separate also. So we have to understand, because we love Allah, because the love for Muslim, the supreme love is the love of Allah. Wallazina amanu, in Surah Baqarah Allah said also, that the people who are with Iman, they have the most supreme love, that is love with Allah. So then is love of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, love of different things. So this way we have to understand that when we love something or love someone, if someone is abusing that one, automatically your reaction is there. But Allah and Islam and Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Holy Quran, and these are our most supreme loves. If something is happening on them or they are being mocked, any of them, or people they are making fun of anyone, so then we have to do some reaction. The best reaction is you have to avoid the company. So be good person to understand Islam and respect Islam and protect Islam. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.